Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can get QuickBooks certifications, so let's get started. The first step is to visit the official Intuit website. Look for the section titled, Become a Certified ProAdvisor. This page provides a complete overview of the certification process and the benefits that come with it. Once there, click on Get Started to begin your certification journey. The certification process involves a series of courses and exams designed to test your knowledge and proficiency in QuickBooks. After clicking Get Started, you'll need to sign up for QuickBooks. If you're not already a user, this step will allow you to access the training materials and become familiar with the software, an important part of preparing for certification. If you're accessing QuickBooks resources from outside the United States, you may be prompted to visit the US site. Be sure to follow this suggestion so you can view the correct training resources, features, and pricing options. Next, you'll need to choose a QuickBooks plan. QuickBooks offers several options tailored to different needs and budgets. Take the time to review them carefully and select the one that best fits your situation, whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or managing a larger operation. If you're not ready to commit to a paid plan right away, don't worry. QuickBooks also provides free webinars through their website. You can find them under the Help section. These webinars are a great way to familiarize yourself with QuickBooks features and serve as a useful stepping stone before pursuing full certification. Remember, the certification journey isn't just about passing exams. It's about developing a deep understanding of QuickBooks so you can leverage its full potential for your career or business. Certification enhances your credibility, boosts your professional skills, and helps you deliver high-quality financial management services to your clients. Here are a couple of tips to help you succeed. Pace yourself. The information can feel overwhelming, so take it step by step. Use the community. QuickBooks forums and support groups are valuable places to connect with other users and professionals who can answer questions and share insights. To wrap it up, becoming QuickBooks certified is a strategic move for any accounting professional. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to earning a valuable certification that strengthens your expertise and opens new doors in your career. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.